everyone, welcome back to No Place Like Home. So glad to have you here with me today. And today what I'll be showing y'all how I sanded my mantle. I'm getting ready for the holidays and I just didn't like this color here. So I'm getting ready to change this right here out. I have already sanded this right here down. This is the natural color and that's the color that I want to go with all my decor. What I'm using today, I'm using this sander. It calls a water. And it's just a little cheap sander, but it does real well.
And also, I would be using this 60 grit. Now, let's get started.
Okay, this sander is going to be real noisy, so I'm probably just going to play music. This is what we have did so far. We got all the paint off of that. So I'm thinking about going ahead on and take this here off too. So I'm gonna do some of it off camera and then I'll be back. Finish this up and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do something else. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to dust this down, then we're gonna smooth it out some. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm gonna change my center pad. I'll go ahead and put my smooth pad on. Okay, here we go.
So I'm going to use this Old English furnish polish that I always use just to give it a stained look.
And I'm just going to put just a little bit. I'm just going to put a little bit on my rag here. How is, let me bring this up so y'all can see. Okay, if you can tell the difference from this part right here to what I'm going to use the furnish polish with. It just make it look real rich. See how that does? and to give it a shine also. This is about the best furnish polish. As a matter of fact, this is the only kind of furnish polish that I use, especially dark wood. Kind of look like it has been stained, but it really hadn't been. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do this bottom part with it too. And a little bit goes a long way. Okay. Now we'll do this one over here, and then we're gonna be done with this project. And then I am going to be doing some DIYs the next time, and then we're going to decorate it. So I wish that look. Is that pretty cool? I'm going to give y'all some close-up shots with it too. And I'm not going to put a sealer on it because you really don't need to, because this is not something that going to be hidden against or nothing like that. So I wouldn't dare cover that up. Okay, now I'll be back and we'll show y'all some close-up shots of it.
Okay, so at this time, I'd like to thank all of y'all for joining me today. I hope y'all enjoyed this video as much as I did doing it. It's just something that I've been wanting to do and just hadn't did it. And I also like to thank all of my subscribers. I like to thank all of my new subscribers for coming over to my home. I enjoy when we are together. Before I go, I like to show y'all some DIYs that I will be redoing. These big vase, I'm going to redo those, and also these candle holders. And this is going to go with my decor for fall. And always remember that God do love you so much, and so do I. Bye-bye.